Digital electronics introduction. Digital signal. A digital signal converts the information of an analog signal into a series of binary code. Binary code is made up of 1 and 0. Each 1 or 0 is called a bit. This signal represents the analog signal and this signal represents the digital signal. Digital electronics general view. Introduction to digital electronics. Digital electronics is a branch of electronics which deals with digital format of data and codes. Digital electronics is a branch of electronics which deals with digital format of data and codes. Digital stands for digit. Digital electronics basically has two conditions which are possible: 0 low logic and 1 high logic. Digital electronic system use a digital signal that are composed of mathematical features to work. 1 as true and 0 as false are called bit, and the group of bits named as byte. 1 as true and 0 as false are called bit, and the group of bits are named byte. Digital electronic circuits are usually made from large assembly of logic gates. Digital describes electronic technology that generates, store, and process data in terms of two states, 1 and 0. A modem is used to convert the digital information in your computer to analog signal for your device and to convert analog signal to digital information for your computer. Digital electronics general view. Analog versus digital. Analog means continuous wave, digital means discrete wave. Example: an analog clock whose hands move smoothly and continuously. A digital clock whose digits jump from one value to next. Okay. Next is difference of analog electronics and digital electronics. In analog electronics, first difference is usually larger circuit and occupy more area, but in digital electronics has smaller IC and occupy lesser area. Second, in analog electronics, its measuring instruments are less accurate, chance of misreading are more. But in digital electronics, its measuring instruments are more accurate and there are no case misreading it. Third point is in analog electronics, higher harms in case of drops and falls, but in digital electronics lesser harms on drops and falls. Okay, so these are the difference between analog electronics and digital electronics. So this is the main difference between the introduction of digital electronics. ठीक है, okay.